Hello and welcome to a new YouTube video. My name is Lucas and today I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorites from June. Now I know it is almost halfway through July, but I figured I'd just do this. Get it out. I've been wanting to kind of do a video like this for a while. I might do like a series every month, maybe every 2 months. We'll see how this goes. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Also, let me know what you guys think about this hat. I got it off eBay. It was like $20, vintage Mets hat, as you can see. I'm just not sure about the fit. It's really tall and quite big. Maybe I'm just not used to it, but we're gonna give it a go. Anyways, like I said, June favorites. Gonna be mostly fashion, but towards the end of the video, I'll talk about some more pop culture, entertainment kind of things that I've been enjoying. So with that being said, first thing is a pair of shorts that I've been wearing a lot. I don't really wear shorts during the week that much because when I do go to work, I just wear jeans or trousers. But when I get home or on the weekend, I've been wearing these a lot. These are the Norse Projects ripstop shorts from this line, Arctisk, I guess. But ripstop shorts, they sent me these a few months ago. 3M detailing on the thigh, on the back pocket as well. But essentially ripstop, very light, very rugged material. Yeah, I've been wearing these a lot. I'm still not completely satisfied with my short selection, but we are definitely getting there. So I tend to just throw these on. They go with pretty much anything. And yeah, love them. And then for pants, like I said, when I go to work, I just wear a pair of jeans or some trousers. But outside of that, I've been wearing these a lot. The Arc'teryx Pulse cargo pants in the red colorway from the latest System A drop. Again, very lightweight material. They're quite stretchy. The color is a little bit harder to wear with things, but if I just wear like a white t-shirt or a black t-shirt and throw on some sneakers, can't really go wrong. It's a good fit. Yeah, I had the black pairs as well from the first System A drop, and they're just amazing pair of casual trousers. They don't look bad, I guess. They don't, obviously they're nothing crazy, but I've been wearing them a ton. I like them a lot. And my suggestion to you is if you can find a pair of Pulse cargo pants and you're looking for like a hiking pant or something, a climbing pant, these would definitely be towards the top of my list for selections. Now for shirts, I don't really have a go-to shirt in the summertime. I tend to just wear like a vintage graphic t-shirt similar to this one. Basically, I just decide the color that I want to go for, white, black, gray, or a color, whatever goes with the outfit. I'll just kind of grab that out of my closet and put it on. Unless I'm trying to like build a more well put together, more thought out outfit, I tend to just wear a graphic t-shirt. I do need to get some more plain cropped boxy tees. I mentioned that in a few videos ago as well, so if you do have any suggestions on that, please do drop them below. So yeah, t-shirts, nothing crazy, but maybe next month I'll have some go-to t-shirts or some more tops other than t-shirts that I can really talk about. So why does my neck look like? My head looks huge, whatever. That's not the point. But so yeah, t-shirts, pants, shorts. Now moving into the footwear, the shoes. A couple pairs of shoes I've been wearing a lot of in June. The first pair are the Margiels Replicas. These are like the navy black colorway. I probably wore these about 70 to 75% of the month. I've had these for a few years now, so they are getting to the point where they're quite cooked, but you can't really tell. The materials have held up extremely well. If you're able to get your hands on a pair of Margiels Replicas, I would highly recommend it. You can also get them secondhand for a pretty decent price. The only kind of gripe I have with them is the tag on the inside kind of like peels or rips or turns over. It's just a bit annoying. I can kind of feel it on my foot when I'm walking, but it's not the end of the world. I deal with it. I do want to get the white pair at some point, maybe this summer, maybe next summer. I'm not really in a huge rush, but I do love these. They, like I said, they've held up extremely well. I've had them for a few years now, and the materials are top notch, but that's what you expect when you're getting Margiela pieces. And then another pair of shoes that I've been wearing, not a whole lot, but a pair of shoes that I do love. I know a lot of people love them on social media. Some people don't like them, but I love them, and that is the Norse Sambas. Talked about them a lot, especially on my TikTok. Whenever I made a video about the release date, it seemed to blow up. So a lot of people are definitely into them. I think they released actually maybe towards the end of May, but I didn't want to start wearing them until June. And for me, They are kind of hard to wear, but at the same time they're not. You can just wear like a plain outfit, black trousers, a simple t-shirt, or even with shorts, they look good. I've seen a lot of people style them on Instagram extremely well. So if you have them and you're not sure how to style them, you can definitely get some inspiration from people on Instagram. I'll try and find a few pictures of people that I think have styled them exceptionally well. Put them up for your viewing pleasures. I've taken a few pictures in them, but not a whole lot. So far, I think my concern and most people's concerns were the creasing on the toe box, how the materials kind of hold up with the creasing. So far so good. Not really any crazy creases, but I haven't worn them a whole lot. So throughout the summer, I'll definitely keep an eye on the creasing and see how it looks. Personally, I don't really mind a crease, but I guess if the material starts to like crinkle or wrinkle and just become really ugly, then that'll be a problem. But those Norse Sambas, I'm sure people that really wanted them have got them by now. I'm guessing they're sold out almost everywhere. So unfortunately for that, but you do have them. Yes, beautiful pair of shoes. Now, hats, headwear. This hat, like I said, I just got off eBay. Still on the fence about it. We'll see. But a couple hats that I've been wearing religiously are my Oree hats. This one is the snapback with this big nice logo embroidered on it. Got some coordinates underneath here. Like I said, snapback. I wear this a lot if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram. Probably even in some YouTube videos I've worn it. And to me, it just fits my head. I love how it fits. The shape is perfect. The height of the crown is perfect. The bend on the brim is perfect. It's just my ideally fitting hat. I love how it fits. And then I also have this kind of more tech-inspired hat. It's pretty much water resistant. I've worn it a few times out when it has started raining and it's kept my head dry. Obviously the more like a dad cap style with the curved brim. Got the nice detail kind of slits on it as well. The Oree logo here and then the coordinates there as well. Generally, not a huge fan of how these hats look on me, but I've been getting more used to this one. I've worn this one quite a lot and I like how this one fits. It's kind of a little bit more secretive. It feels like you're a little bit more in there, especially if you're wearing sunglasses. You feel a little more private, which I'm always here for. Hopefully this is focused properly. Yikes. So that pretty much wraps up the fashion portion of this video. So I'm just editing this right now and I realize there's a few things that I missed that I did want to touch on real quickly. First up is actually, I don't think it's a June one, I think it was more towards the end of May because I know they did wear it at the end of last season. That is the Arsenal home kit for this coming season. I think it's incredible. I love the gold detailing. I know a lot of Arsenal fans are really happy with it. Personally, I'll try to grab it maybe towards the beginning of the season, but one of my favorite Arsenal kits in recent memory. And another thing is another kit from Carlisle United. Might seem very random, but my grandpa's actually from there. So I know of that team just from that, and I think this kit's very nice. And because of that reason, I might try to pick it up. I'm sure he would enjoy seeing me wear the Carlisle kit. I had one from a few years back, but it's nothing compared to this one. Personally, I like it. I'm a fan. Might have to grab it maybe later, middle of the season or something like that, but so I'd add those in real quick. Now I'm gonna move into more lifestyle, entertainment kind of things. First up, golfing. I used to golf a lot back in high school, which was a long time ago now. I could talk about that, but haven't really been on a real course in quite some time. Been starting to get back at the driving range the past couple of weeks, which I'm a big fan of. So hopefully I can get back on the course soon, and hopefully it doesn't drive me crazy and make me wanna not golf, which it did in the past. But just gonna go out there, have some fun with some friends, have a good time. So yeah, golf. Big fan of golf. And then just a few TV shows that I've been watching. Of course, Succession. I feel like one of the biggest shows in North America, at least, maybe the world, over the past month or so with their 4th season. Maybe it's just me, maybe it's just my TikTok algorithm kind of speaking to me about Succession. I love it. I just started the 4th season, so I'm gonna try and finish that relatively soon, but great show. HBO always has amazing originals, you know, Entourage, Curb Your Enthusiasm, etc. So yeah, Succession, great show. And another show that me and Justine have been watching is Silo on Apple TV. Shout out to Apple TV. They've again been doing some amazing originals. You know, you got Ted Lasso, which I know some people don't like it, but I like it. I finished watching that. There's Severance, which is a great kind of psychological thriller. It's been 1 season. I think they're working on season 2. So if you're into that, definitely check that out. But Silo, if you have been watching that, I believe the first season just finished a few weeks ago. We're a few episodes behind. I think we're on episode 5 or 6, but great TV show. Not really gonna talk about it too much. Don't want to spoil anything, but if you have Apple TV and you haven't watched Silo or Severance, I definitely recommend checking those out. 2 of my favorite shows that I've watched this year so far. Severance, I pretty much binge watched that in like a week. Silo, Christine and I binged it, but we've been really busy lately. Haven't really had time to watch too much TV. So those are the few TV shows I've been watching. Music, honestly, I haven't really found too much new music that I've been enjoying. I've been listening to a lot of music that I used to listen to back in school in the early 2010s, stuff like that. I know Young Thug's new album came out. I think that was July. Maybe the real tail end of June. I like Young Thug. I thought it was a good album. Obviously, there was some throwaways on there, some old songs that didn't make the cut for his albums, but I'm a fan. Whenever there's some new Young Thug music, I'm here for it. So, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much everything for June that I could think of right now anyways. Oh, also, May and June, I probably ran the most I've ever ran in my life. And I'm gonna talk about the running shoes I use real quick. These are the On Cloud Monsters. Very good road running shoe, super lightweight, lots of cushioning here. I've probably put about close to 100K onto them so far. Nothing crazy, but I wear them every day when I run. Justine also has a pair. She ran a half marathon in them, and I know me and her both love them. So if you're a runner looking to get into running, I could not recommend these enough, because both of them, Justine and I, never really ran up until this year, and we both use these, like I said, and we love them. Shout out to On Running. They make some incredible actual shoes if you are a runner. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.